Like in the video, hope you're fine now friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the XRP Ripple coin. When will XRP Ripple coin goes to hit a $2 I will starting this in my channel, so please I request all of you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Let's start the video friends without wasting any time friends. So first of all we talk about the XRP Ripple coin currently price of the market. 1.17 USD dollar is the currently price of the XRP, and if we look the 24 hours price changes occur in the XRP, so negative 19.30% price going down in the last 24 hours in the last one day. Absolutely the price is fast down in the 24 hours, but I hope the price will again pump. And the market cap is 54.04588000, very highest amount. I can't time to read this, but if you want to read, so you can easily read. Same like that, the 24 hours volume and market cap is already goes upward friends. Let me show you friends that when will they goes to hit $2 friends. Oh my goodness, absolutely, and the last time the price is again fast down. You can see here, oh my god, the highest price is now, the price is in the previous last one day the price is very badly fast down, but as you can see here XRP Ripple coin quick jump or start now from the yesterday, from the previous last 12 hours the price jump against in the XRP Ripple coin, and now this time the current price is 1.14259 USD dollar is the current price of the XRP Ripple coin. So I hope that now this jump is start now in the XRP Ripple coin, as you can see here this time. So I hope that very soon, I think in the last half this month they can easily hit $2. What do you think? I think they can easily hit a $2 in the last half this week. If this kind of changes continue in the XRP Ripple coin, so that is not a big target for the XRP Ripple coin, then they goes to hit a $2 friends. Anyways, personally I really suggest and for all of you to please hold it, because they are going now, it's just a beginning. Now as I show you that the price change occur as positive in the last 12 hours, that is just the beginning of the pump. The big jump, the big pump of the XRP Ripple coin are coming soon, wait for it. That is just the beginning, the big jump are coming soon, wait for it, and don't decide to sell, it's time to hold friends. And don't forget to subscribe to ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Also share your opinion and prediction in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video.